Why do some people always seem to have money while others are always struggling, regardless of how much they earn? The difference isn't their bank account, it's their mindset. Your brain is programmed with money scripts from your childhood. Today, we are going to delete those old limiting beliefs and reprogram your mind for abundance and wealth. Scarcity versus abundance. Most people live in a scarcity mindset. They believe there's only a limited amount of money and they have to fight for scraps. They focus on saving every penny but never focus on earning. An abundance mindset realizes that money is an infinite resource. Instead of saying, "I can't afford it," ask yourself, "How can I afford it?" This tiny shift opens your mind to new opportunities. Your money story. Think back to your childhood. Did your parents say, "Money doesn't grow on trees," or "We aren't made of money"? These phrases created a subconscious belief that money is hard to get and evil. But money is just a tool. It makes you more of who you already are. If you are a good person, money allows you to be more generous. If you are a bad person, it makes you more selfish. Money is neutral. The wealthy identity. You have to start seeing yourself as a wealthy person before the money arrives. A wealthy person doesn't buy things to impress people they don't like. A wealthy person values their time and their health. When you start making decisions like a wealthy person, your bank account will eventually catch up to your identity. Stop acting rich and start being wealthy. Focus on value, not hours. In school, we are taught to trade our time for money. But the rich know that you get paid for the value you bring to the marketplace, not the hours you work. A brain surgeon earns more than a janitor, not because they work harder, but because their skill is more rare and valuable. Focus on increasing your skills and solving bigger problems for more people. Surround yourself with success. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If your friends are always complaining about being broke and spending their weekends partying, you will stay broke too. Find mentors, read books by billionaires, and listen to podcasts that challenge you to grow. Tomorrow, we start phase 3 with $100 a day side hustle ideas.